Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to unbox the Modern Flames Redstone electric fireplace insert. This fireplace comes in 3 different sizes. That's a 26, a 30, and a 36 inch. Today we'll be working with a 36 inch model. The first thing you'll want to do is to inspect the product for any kind of damage. If you find any, please give us a call right away. Now let's unbox the fireplace. Let's remove the fireplace from the box. I recommend a second person to help. Now that the fireplace has been removed from the first box, you'll see it's inside a second one. Remove it now. The first thing you'll notice is on top of your fireplace is your surround option. Set that aside for now. After removing the fireplace, you will have noticed multiple different component boxes. Inside those boxes, you will have a remote control, an installation manual, glass media, and an electrician's hardwire kit. Set those aside for now. You'll also notice a box inside the fireplace that contains a driftwood log set. Remove the plastic around the fireplace now. In order to get access to the components on the inside, you'll have to first remove the glass. That is done by removing 4 screws on the top portion of the glass, pulling the glass towards you and lifting it out. With the glass removed, you now have access to the final component, which is the driftwood logs. Set those aside. And that is everything you need to know about unboxing your Modern Flames Redstone electric fireplace insert. If you'd like to know how to install this fireplace, click on the link in the description below. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.